issue at the Firoz Shah Road. In fact, there were 3 trucks filled with garbage that she brought to dump at Kejriwal's residence, and after that we given to understand that she is being detained. In the visuals you can see the trucks that were brought full of garbage to be dumped at Kejriwal's residence, post which Swati Maliwal was detained. We have Isha joining us on the broadcast with more details. Isha, dramatic protest and now Swati Maliwal detained.
Right, Swati. Just a few minutes ago, Swati Maliwal, the Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP, has been detained, and we will show you the visuals at the spot. You can see that Swati Maliwal had brought 3 huge trucks filled with garbage, but all that she could dump here was this much, and then she was detained. In fact, this poster, this placard of Arvind Kejriwal, this caricature of Arvind Kejriwal has also been placed here. In fact, this is an imagery. You can see the caricature of Arvind Kejriwal is saying, "Muskuraiye, aap Delhi mein hain," and it is placed over a pile of garbage, and you can see that Firoz Shah Road is also right visible here. So definitely this is a very ironic scene that has emerged here, because Arvind Kejriwal definitely, when he used to campaign until today, promises the national capital of a garbage-free Delhi, of a clean Delhi, and this is the state that it is right now. This is Firoz Shah Road, and in fact, as we speak right now as well, this road is being opened up for the common public because of the protest. The road was blocked for the common public since the last half an hour, but you can see here that garbage is still put here. This has not been picked up, and of course you can see here that the trucks that also came alongside Swati Maliwal have been taken away, but not just the garbage trucks. She also brought a lot of protesters with her, and they also held placards against Arvind Kejriwal, also stating that Arvind Kejriwal is a coward, and the fact that he has not been able to fulfill any promise that he made to the people of the national capital. But right now, as we speak, normalcy returning back to Firoz Shah Road.
All right, normalcy is returning now. Let's also focus on the visuals a little bit. Trucks full of garbage brought by Swati Maliwal to dump the garbage at Kejriwal's residence. She, in fact, for the past couple of days, Isha has been, traveling around the national capital and has been releasing such videos of unfulfilled promises of the Aam Aadmi Party, especially going to the slums, saying this is how people have been forced to live, while Arvind Kejriwal's party continues to make more promises for the upcoming election. So she has been doing a series of, such videos, isn't it?
Right, Swati, in fact, in the last few days, we have been seeing that she took this to the micro-blogging platform X, where she would post a lot of videos of the national capital, of areas of West, North, and even East Delhi, and she would quote and she would state, this is the Sheesh Mahal, this is the Taj Mahal that Arvind Kejriwal has built in Delhi. She would attack Arvind Kejriwal, she would attack the Aam Aadmi Party for unfulfilled promises, and the fact that Delhi cannot breathe because of such poor garbage management. In fact, right now, even as we speak, we're standing very close to the garbage, and there is a very foul smell in the air. So we can only imagine the condition and the plight of the areas where there are heaps and mountains of garbage piled up right across. In fact, there are several areas in the national capital, towards the west, towards east and west, and even in North Delhi, where the garbage management is extremely poor, and MCD and other officials don't work properly. So definitely the Aam Aadmi Party has been held accountable by their own leader, by their own MP. In fact, Swati Maliwal is still a part of the Rajya Sabha from the Aam Aadmi Party. So the Aam Aadmi Party definitely being held accountable. And Swati Maliwal, while also leaving, she did suggest that she is not scared of anyone, and she will continue to protest irrespective of what happens, and she is not scared of the pressure that is coming from the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. But you can see here that now this is the caricature of Arvind Kejriwal, which is right on top of the pile of garbage. In fact, Swati Maliwal has also been saying that why should the people in the national capital live with the garbage? Arvind Kejriwal, the supremo of the Aam Aadmi Party, should also get a taste of what the people in the national capital are living like. All
right. Stay on with us. Now there are political reactions coming in. Kiran Rijiju has also put out a post reminding Arvind Kejriwal of how Swati Maliwal is questioning the current state of the national capital, and that's the post by Kiran Rijiju on your screens, where he says, and I quote, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के पुराने साथी ने ही उनके विफलता पर सवाल उठाया है और कड़ी आलोचना की है. So Kiran Rijiju, they're citing this act of Swati Maliwal of dumping garbage in front of Kejriwal's residence, saying that here is an old associate of Arvind Kejriwal that is questioning the failure of his government and also strongly criticizing him. Swati Maliwal at the moment has been detained by the cops, but this definitely has led to a political face-off now, with the multiple reactions coming in. Arvind Kejriwal being reminded by Kiran Rijiju of how an old associate of Arvind Kejriwal of his party is strongly criticizing him. Thank you, Isha, for getting us the details. We're moving on now. The poll battle is hitting a fever pitch in the capital, and the latest tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP is over the quality of Yamuna water. Earlier